Hello everyone! I'm filming on my phone, not my camera today. I mean, the rest of the tutorial will be on my camera, but that's beside, anyways, whatever. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my PR boxes into makeup storage, makeup storage, yes. It's a very simple video, little to no money. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and everything that I use will be in the description down below, which is actually not a lot if I think about it. But yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoy this, and we'll get into it. Alright everyone, let's get into this mess of a voiceover. You guys know that my voiceovers are always a giant fucking mess. Anyways, so I bought some paint from Walmart. They were like $2 for $1, so I got like 6 of them. And then I have a PR box here that I saved, and some water, because obviously when you're painting you want to clean off your brush, and I only had one brush so obviously I needed to utilize that one brush and some water. And on the top left corner, or my top left corner, you guys can see I have an adhesive spray, and that is because I use glitter in one of the boxes. Now be careful with this part. I just took off the top of the box because obviously I'm not going to need that. I used a knife, a kitchen knife. You could use whatever you have. Just be safe. If you are like, what the hell am I gonna say? If you are under the age of 18, make sure you have a parent with you, obviously. And then here's a brush that I got from, I believe it was from it was from Hobby Lobby. And this is what I'm going to use to paint all of my boxes. It was the only art brush that I had, and honestly these paints, they worked really good. They were, for like the price, they worked really nice. The only thing that I would say is that you definitely have to go over it like at least twice. Sorry, my mom is cooking. I don't know what she's making. She's making something spicy, and I could already just feel my throat about to start coughing, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you are Mexican, or if you're Latino or Latina or Latinx, whatever, you already know that the house be full of spices, and it's just like my throat, it's like giving out on me. Anyways, that's besides the point. But yeah, oh my gosh, I have to talk for 10 minutes straight in this voiceover. My poor voice. Anyways, here is the finish look to the first one. As you guys can see, it was pretty pink. I only went over it twice, but I went over it twice on every single side, every single color that I use. I went over it twice because, again, like, yeah, the paints are really nice, but again, you have to go over it twice to get like a really solid color. So that's just what I did, and I painted like each side a different color because I don't know, it looked a little childish. I can see that, but I really like pastel colors, and I thought, why not utilize like all of the colors that I had bought. So that's why I made them all different, like all of the sides different colors, and this is how it's turning out. Like, you could also just paint them one color if you want, but again, like, I'm just a whole ass child, so I wanted to paint them different colors, so that is exactly what I did. But again, you can do whatever you want. Now, there was a box that I did, and you will see it later on, where I used the purple paint because I didn't utilize the purple paint that much. And in one of the boxes I did, and I actually stuck stickers on them, and then I went over it with the paint, and then I tried to take off the stickers, and then I actually ripped the box even more. So I don't really think that was a good idea. So yeah, I just thought I would tell you guys that. I didn't show that clip in this video anyways, but yeah, don't do that, because what happens is the sticker got stuck to the box, so it just ripped off like the paint even more, and it didn't even look like a star, so I don't think you should do that. But yeah, all I'm doing is just painting. I hope that you guys are having a really nice day. It's Monday. Tomorrow is October 1st. I'm aging another year this month, unfortunately. Well, no, actually, I'm actually really excited to age another year. My birthday is October 20. I'm a Libra. Yes, I'm a October baby, and that makes me really happy. You know what I'm saying? Because I love fall personally. You know what I'm saying? Fall is just so beautiful, and it's just really nice. And I'm so over the heat, and California is so hot. You guys know I be sweating in my room so much, and I'm just happy that like it's getting cooler. You know what I'm saying? Like, San Bernardino, where I live at, it needs to get cooler because it's always so damn hot. Okay, let me stop talking. So this next box is actually a glittery box. Now, I don't like glitter. I think glitter is really bad for our environment. I'm just saying. But I had bought this glitter a really, really, really long time ago, and I kept it. So what I did with it was I painted the box, and then you know how the paint, it's kind of sticky for a while, so I just put the glitter on top of it. I put a purple glitter, obviously, because it was purple, and then I kind of like swept off the excess glitter. And then what I did was I took that glitter adhesive, because I knew that the paint wasn't going to be enough to have like the glitter stick on it. So I took the glitter adhesive and I sprayed like a bunch of it, and I put like the excessive glitter on top of it, and it worked really well. And I did it for all sides. And then I think what's really important is that afterwards, when you're done with this like glittery box, you want to make sure that you go over it one more time with the glitter adhesive. That way, like when you touch the box, you won't get glitter on your hands, because I know how annoying glitter is or can be. So you can just go over it with like the glitter adhesive, just to make sure that the glitter doesn't go everywhere. And I grabbed an old makeup brush that I had, and that's what I used to like get the excessive glitter off. But yeah, I think this was a really nice box. I kind of just wanted you guys to have like another like idea, you know what I'm saying? Instead of just having like a box where it's just painted and it's plain, I wanted you guys to have like another idea that you can do with your PR boxes or your boxes that you keep. So I thought this was a really nice one, you know what I'm saying? She was cute. She was a little childish, being a, she's really nice. She turned out really, really, really cute. I really liked it. The only thing that I really didn't like was the purple paint that I picked up. I wish it was more pastel-y. Like the purple was kind of like, it was just way too like dark. I wish it was more pastel. Like when I picked it up, I was like, oh, this is a pastel purple. But then when I came home and I utilized it, it just did not look like the purple that I really wanted. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure you pick up the type of paint that you want, or whatever colors that you want. And honestly, like Walmart had so many paints for like a really cheap price. They had like the neon paints too, but like neon just be hurting my eyes too much, so I didn't want to get those. And then the neon one actually was like really bright for my eyes. So yeah, so here is the finished glittery box, and I think it came out so pretty. It's just really like aesthetically pleasing to look at. I wish I would have used like maybe like the pink and purple, but you know what, it's all good. So then this part, I just made sure to obviously put in all my makeup into the boxes. I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what you can do with these boxes. So in this box, I just put in all of my most like used makeup palettes into this one, and it just looks so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that, she's so cute. Okay, and then on the next box, I put in all of my contours, all of my blushes and my highlights, and some of Huda Beauty's palettes, because they fit just perfectly into this box. And I kind of played around with it to make sure like they all fit into the box, and it ended up looking really, really nice. You don't want to like overpack the box, because then she might break. That's what happened to one of my boxes where I put like my foundation set. Like I put all of my foundations into like a tiny ass box, and it ended up like kind of ripping. So just be careful you don't like overload the box, because she will break, you know what I'm saying? Like she will break, so just be careful. I'm just trying to waste time, because I don't know why this clip is so damn long. Oh my gosh, like all of these clips are so long. Anyways, this was my favorite box, and I say it at the end of the video because it was just so cute and just like small, you know what I'm saying? And then this one, I just put all of my cute little beauty blenders, and she just looks so nice. And then in this box, I put all of my foundations. Again, like I said, I had to take out my foundations from the other box that I had it in, because it like ripped on the side. So I just put my foundations in this box, and plus it like left a lot of room in the middle, so that way when I get more foundations, I still have room to put my foundations in there. So yeah, this one looked really cute, and I really, really liked it. And yeah, she's cute. Now moving on to the next one, I had a little box. I didn't show you guys like all of the boxes that I painted, but I painted like quite a few. In this one, I just put all of my really cute sweetener lashes, and it just fit perfectly, and that's how it looks, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you guys like this. Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, like, you know, the stuffing and the paper or the bubble wrap that comes in like packages that you order, or for me, I get like obviously PR packages and they come with a lot of like the stuffing and this bubble wrap. Well, I actually have a full box and I actually keep these because I want to utilize them again for like Christmas, or if your friend's birthday is coming up and you're giving them a gift, you can stuff the paper in there to obviously hide the present, whatever. And I remember posting this online and getting questions about like, well, you know, what if the other person or the person that you gifted to doesn't recycle it? And like, I can definitely understand that, but I think the point is to like reuse it, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully they recycle it or they keep it and they like, you know, reuse it. To me, the point is also not going out and buying like more paper and more plastic. And don't get me wrong, like I'm still getting used to like this whole recycling thing and making and being more like aware of what I'm buying and stuff like that, because there's so much plastic. I'm still like getting better at it, but like now I know that I could just not buy this wrapping paper or bubble wrap from like the store, because I could just utilize what I get from the mail, you know what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. So yeah, this is another little tip. You can just save all of this stuff for Christmas or birthdays and stuff like that. So let's go look into my storage. All right, you guys, so here is the finished product and she looks like this. Boom. She looks really cute. So let me show you guys what I have in this boxes, might as well. In the first one I have some blushes, highlights, and contours. And then in the second one, this is literally my favorite box. It is so cute and small. I just stuffed all of my beauty sponges in there. And then in the glittery box, I put all my foundations in here. And it looks like this. And she's really cute. And then we'll go to the bottom one and I stuff some lashes in there. She looks really, really pretty. These are all my sweetener lashes. And then this one, I put most of my palettes in here. And then in this one, you have just some loose powders. Now, it will look a little ugly because I cut it right here, but I don't really mind because, I mean, like, I'm the only one that's looking at these drawers. I mean, well, obviously now you guys are looking at it. Well, never mind. You know what? I still think it's really, really pretty. And I just really, really like how it looks. Now, another thing that I really want to show you guys is this bottom portion. Now, these boxes were a PR package from Juno & Co, and they already came like in this really nice pretty box like material, and it's obviously like kind of pinkish mauve, and so you don't need to change the color on this. I don't think you should anyways, because like it feels like very soft and plasticky even though it's a cardboard. So if you get boxes that are like this, you can just save them and obviously put stuff in them. Now in this one I just put glitters, and on the other one I just put some makeup wipes, which I hardly ever use. I think makeup wipes are low-key kind of bad. Get yourself a cleansing oil, I'm just saying. But again, you don't really necessarily need to do anything with these. You could just stuff stuff in them. Another box that I kept was the sugar pill one, which obviously is a pink box, and she's really, really cute. Again, I cut the top off and just stuffed some concealers in them, and you don't have to do much to this box anyways. I just put the stickers that they sent me, I just stick them on there because she's already really cute and she's pink, so you don't have to do much to her. So that's how my drawer looks. All right, you guys, this concludes this video. Now I know that this video was probably not even like necessarily needed because it was so easy and all you really needed was paint, but I really wanted to show you guys what I've been doing with like my PR boxes and maybe give other people like some ideas. You obviously don't need to be so simple like I did and just paint like one side of the box different colors. You can do like creative stuff and draw on them or whatever you want. I think the whole point is just like you can recycle your PR boxes and use them as storage, and it works, and you don't have to go out and spend money. And don't get me wrong, I know that there's like a lot of makeup storage that is really, really inexpensive, but you know what, I need all the dollars that I can get, you know what I'm saying? If you guys have any tips or any advice for me, I would gladly take it. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Is it a tutorial or it's a DUI tutorial? Whatever. A DUI, do it yourself, yeah, tutorial, whatever. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.